Hi friends, I am Ajukumar, the English trainer from English Academy Pathanapura. A knowledge of English is a successful passport to get a job. നിങ്ങളൊരു ഇൻ്റർവ്യൂവിന് പങ്കെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ the interviewers ask questions only in English then. Whatever the other prominent vernacular languages may be, mostly in interviews, English is the language. So I told you, English is a successful passport to get a job. When you travel somewhere else, when you get into an airport or railway station, always English is supportive to you. Now the society is English-friendly society. So it is very necessary to learn English sooner or later. We English Academy, located in Pathanapura, now uses certain simple methods to learn English, spoken English in easiest steps. We don't have online classes, but our class is offline, and you got face-to-face interaction of our trainees. How much time you would like? So online classes in the beginning is really tough. It is not useful to create a strong basement in this. When you have a strong basement in this language, you can learn this language yourself, because it is a matter of practice that you learn English. Only practice you can learn English. So always remember, English is a language of opportunities. If you don't learn English, you miss a lot of opportunities. If you know English, then you get additional opportunities, right?